Grimmway Farms, a carrot farm in our backyard, is making national headlines for causing the most recent outbreak of E. coli, leading to multiple infections and even a death.
Eyewitness News reporter Leslie Valle is live outside one of their facilities and tells us how this recall could impact the county's economy and their own industry. Leslie.
Yeah, Michael Rochelle, I'm here outside one of the Grimmway Farms facilities in Bakersfield, just a few miles away from Lamont. Now, we do want to note that there are 3 Grimmway Farms locations here in Kern County, but we have yet to confirm where those cases have originated from. Now, as there have been many reports of E. coli infections, experts say that Grimmway Farms could be held liable. Now, we want to know just how will Kern County be impacted from the vegetable producer. Let's take a look.
We've seen a lot of E. coli outbreaks, and in almost every instant, lawsuits have been filed.
According to Grimmway Farms, they are the largest carrot producer in the world, and now they're the center of a nationwide E. coli outbreak. The now recalled carrots is no longer available in stores, but the CDC says consumers should still check to make sure they aren't in the refrigerator or freezer. Images shown are just some of the carrots that should be thrown away if they were whole carrots available for purchase during August 14th through October 23rd, or baby carrots with best if used by dates ranging from September 11th through November 12th. As of now, there have been 39 people infected, 15 hospitalized, and 1 death reported. Environmental attorney Vineet Dubey says normally the store that sold the recall item are sued, but in this case,
Grimmway Farms may also get sued because they are such a big organization and because they obviously would be able to be sued in court and potentially provide restitution as well.
Dubey says the settlement amounts could vary, but incidents involving kids, the elderly, or death could have larger payouts.
If you have cases where this happens, then the lawsuits become a lot more potentially valuable and the settlements become larger.
Dubey says it's common for companies to try to resolve it, but if not, it can take from 2 to 3 years before there's a resolution. So how will this impact Kern County? CSUB economic professor Aaron Hegde says it depends on how widespread the situation is.
So normally, if there is a lot of losses, like say in the hundreds of millions, then the company might have to scale back on employees.
Hegde tells us he's estimated that even one recall could cost the company around $10 million. But for Grimmway, he thinks it shouldn't be a hefty loss or costing jobs.
As far as recalls go, this is not a major recall.
We also want to note that we spoke to Cal State Bakersfield officials because Cal State Bakersfield held a carrot festival during the weekend. And of course, carrots were the star of the show, and they had Grimmway Farms carrots. And they told us that none of the carrots were those recalled. For now in Bakersfield, Leslie Valle, Eyewitness News.